Hey guys, Elliot here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a small demo of the new user interface and menu screens that we're introducing in Prismata. This isn't really final, there's still a lot missing, still a lot of graphical updates and fixes that we're going to add, but this is sort of the state of it right now. So this is the new splash screen. There's a completely new sign-in procedure. I'm just going to sign in real quick and show you some of the new stuff we've got. So this is the new menu screen. There's our changelog that's up here. There's the Twitch streams that now feature the little icons, and you get these little notifications that come up when people start streaming. Campaign is pretty much what it used to be. Eventually this will get replaced with like a nice map with the different missions on it, but for now, with the temporary single-player content, it's just a list of missions like it used to be. The Battle tab has all of the different play modes. We've added a new quick play mode if you just want to play a bot real quick without fiddling around with any of the settings. Arena mode is the new sort of league or challenge mode that you can get auto-matched to other players. There's still some graphics missing here, but we do have new tier graphics, which are kind of cool. We've talked about Arena in some other posts. There'll be a lot of changes and updates to Arena. If you're playing against the computer or against a friend, you can now do things like have different time controls for both players. You can enter custom controls if you want. You can add and remove units depending on how many you want to play with. And of course, there's the custom set builder, which is pretty much the same as it was before. Leaderboards and top live games, which are not working on my test server, but they're basically the way they were before. We are going to be adding a bunch of new leaderboard features when we get our sort of GM system in the game. You'll be able to page through different types of scores and see who had the best score this week, who's in the running to be the best player in the world to get invited to our world championships, that sort of thing. All that stuff's coming. Replays, we have a completely new replay screen. You can scroll through all of your replays now and it will sort of load them up dynamically. This is our test server. So right now we're doing a lot of testing with some of the newer units that we'll be releasing soon. The customized screens are, they look like this now. You can set up your avatar and your badges. There will be a new skin selector coming soon, and of course Charms is the arena rewards system that we're still working on, but it will be coming in soon. And of course there are new options, menus, and various other things. In-game, things are mostly the same. We do have some graphics modifications that will be coming to the game screen, but for now, there's not too much. Like there's updated friends lists. You can see your different friends, and the functionality is mostly the same, but graphically it's a little bit nicer. There are ways to get the chats open in game. And there are functionality to hide messages that are responsive to each individual chat now. There's a bunch of changes to the way chats work. And the victory screen has been redone. So it's much cleaner. It just looks like this, and then you can click here to view the stats. And this is sort of the same stat screen that you guys are used to, but it's just been redone. And it looks a bit bigger, cleaner, and nicer. Anyways, so that's just a hint of what's coming in the new user interface. The next step for us is sort of to finish thing up, to polish it, to get a few last-minute graphics. Like we're still missing the panel in the lower left, and there's going to be a sort of level-up bar at the bottom and an indicator of your in-game currency and stuff like that. The performance of the user interface is something that we're going to start optimizing once we get all the assets in. So once we know what we're working with, we can take a lot of steps to make it faster, because I know some people say it heats up their laptops too much, which we know about that. The actual graphics quality, like there's still some places where the text looks bad, or certain images that look blurry, or shadows are a little bit wrong, and stuff like that. We're going to be polishing absolutely everything graphically in the game in the upcoming months to make it look completely and utterly perfect. This is still sort of only 80% of the way there, and the last 20% is half of the work sometimes. And the thing that we're going to do a big push toward are the arena rewards and more in-game animations. So we really want to have dramatic arena reward celebrations and in-game animations. Sound is a big part of that, and we have an announcement coming up on that, which I will make soon. And yeah, the graphics of the game, this is intended to be pretty much on the road to what will be the final graphics in Prismata. So please let us know if you have any feedback, what you like, what you don't like, what you want us to change, what new stuff you would like to see. And I will see you guys next time.